says كَلَّا سَيَعْلَمُونَ ثُمَّ كَلَّا سَيَعْلَمُونَ. This has been repeated, and oftentimes it's argued that this repetition takes place only for the purpose of mubalagha, which in English is called hyperbole, to emphasize something. You know, the Old English translation of كَلَّا سَيَعْلَمُونَ ثُمَّ كَلَّا سَيَعْلَمُونَ is, nay, they're going to soon find out. Nay, then again, nay, they will soon find out. This is how it's commonly translated. Let's first explore the word kalla, and then we'll talk about the repetition. Kalla, according to Sibawayh and some other grammarians, mostly from Basra, they believe that this has to do with the word rada', or stop. Meaning, whatever you're talking about, stop. You're going to find out very soon. So you put it in that context, right? They're running their mouth, and all of a sudden Allah says, stop. You're going to find out very soon. So that's one opinion on what kalla means. Another opinion, which is stronger actually from the language point of view, depends on where kalla is used. If you say kalla and you pause, and then you say saya'lamun, it means something. But if you say kalla saya'lamun together, then it means something else. Now if you say kalla and you pause, and then you say saya'lamun, like these grammarians argue, in these ayat it is jaiz, it is allowed that you stop at kalla and then you say saya'lamun. To produce that meaning, stop. Stop your nonsense. Stop this ridiculous argument. All of you be quiet. Nonsense. And then you're soon about to find out. Saya'lamun. Or they're about to find out rather. But on the other hand, if you continue and you don't stop, which is what the text of the ayah is, there's no waqf, then the meaning of kalla is associated with haqqan. Truly you're going to find out. So the idea in language generally, and also in classical Arabic, when you repeat something twice, it illustrates anger or tension or friction or something like that. So that's one opinion. The other opinion, which actually a lot of the mufassirun have taken, and seems more appropriate here, is consistent with the arguments in the rest of Qur'an. As far as the Qur'an's warnings are concerned, they're basically, the warnings are of two events. Two things. One is resurrection, the day of judgment, all the events surrounding resurrection. And the second is the hellfire, one leading to the other. But the two predominant warnings are resurrection and qiyamah, and then an-nar. So there's a lot of description in the Qur'an of resurrection day, and there's a lot of description for hellfire. So it is believed that the first one, you're really going to find out, that first one is referring to qiyamah, and the second one is referring to hellfire. So first you're going to realize how wrong you were and how obnoxious you were in the way you were talking about the akhirah. The first time you will realize this, truly realize this, when you face qiyamah. And the second time when you face the hellfire. These are the two places where you really get to know, right? So now, this is again the tafsir of why there is repetition between these two things.